If you want to have any software icon right on your Windows 10 or 11 desktop, whether it's a sticky Microsoft Store app or a classic downloaded program, this guide is for you. Plus, I have got a bonus script that can copy all your app shortcuts to the desktop with just one click. I'll provide you a step-by-step guide on how to show any software icon on your desktop in Windows 10 or 11. Let's clean up your desktop and speed up your workflow. For Microsoft Store and built-in apps, you can manually create shortcuts through shell command. Right-click Desktop, select New, then Shortcut. In the location box, enter one of the following examples. Some of the common Microsoft Store apps are Settings, Microsoft Store, Calculator, Calendar, or Mail, and click Next. Give it a name like Calculator and click Finish. To change the icon, right-click the shortcut, select Properties, and click Change Icon. From here, you can choose a system icon you prefer and click Apply. If you want to show any downloaded software icon on a desktop, this method works for traditional apps installed through executable installers like Chrome, VLC Player, or Adobe Reader. Click the Start menu or press the Windows key on your keyboard. Search for the app you prefer. Start typing the name of the software, be it VLC, Chrome, or Notepad. Right-click the app when it appears in the search results and select Open File Location. The Open File Location option appears only for downloaded desktop apps, not store apps. It will open the folder containing the shortcut to the app. Right-click the shortcut. Select More option. Select Send To and click Create Shortcut. That's it. You're done. Now you will see the software's icon appear on your desktop. Before we continue, if your PC has been running slow or acting strange lately, this might be the perfect time to check for hidden issues under the hood. I personally recommend Advanced System Repair Pro. It is an all-in-one PC tune-up tool that scans for junk files, registry errors, malware traces, and more. It even helps boost overall system performance with just a few clicks. The website link to Advanced System Pro is suggested in the video description below. If you want to skip the manual steps and copy all start menu apps, including Microsoft Store and installed apps, to your desktop in one go, I've got you. I built a special tool that does exactly that. Download the zip file from Gumroad. Open the zip file with the default app, which is File Explorer. Inside the tool, you will find a PowerShell script, a command prompt script, and a full instruction guide. This script scans your start menu for every shortcut program and copies them directly to your desktop. To use the command prompt script, double-click it and select Run. Confirm the prompt by clicking Run again to start the script. Windows searches through common start menu directories and copies of files to your desktop. These files represent the apps and tools you normally find in the start menu, like Microsoft Edge, Server Manager, Remote Desktop, PowerShell, and even third-party apps like OBS or CapCut. Now, you don't need to go through apps one by one. If you'd like to support the channel and grab this one-click shortcut tool, it is available exclusively on my Gumroad page. You will find the link to my Gumroad page pinned in the comment section below. I hope this helped you clean up your desktop workflow and bring quick access to your apps you actually use.